shooting a video.
Ooh, the exhaust smell.
That's nice. So back after America defeated the British, we had some leftover gunpowder, and we decided to make fireworks. America invented them, and here they are tonight. We had leftover gunpowder because we didn't need it all. So there you go. You're welcome, world. Go freedom. Go America. Let freedom ring, baby. Let it ring. Freedom up in the house. The freedom finale. Oh yeah, freedom. Freedom in the front yard. That's so big. What?
Stop the freedom.
You're slapping me. You're oppressing me.
I try.
You're just like them British, aren't you? It's a long finale.
Yay!
Freedom!